Foster entrepreneurial spirit among youth. Encourage young people to explore entrepreneurship as a way to become financially independent. You see, learning entrepreneurial skills early builds their confidence, sparks creativity, and fosters an innovative mindset. Just like Trisha, an OFW wife and one of my coaching clients. She owns a small online business specializing in keto dishes. Now, here's a quick backstory. Trisha's journey into entrepreneurship began in her mother's kitchen, where she learned to cook healthy meals. Her mother's passion for healthy eating inspired Trisha to experiment with keto recipes and share them with her friends and family. And their positive feedback and the growing number of health conscious individuals now gave her the idea to launch her keto dishes business for health conscious individuals. With mentoring and guidance, she expanded her venture online, learning valuable lessons in marketing, customer service, and financial management. Trisha's entrepreneurial spirit not only earned her extra income, but also allowed her to pass down valuable skills and lessons to her own children. Her story shows the power of early entrepreneurial skills in building confidence and fostering innovation. Worth emulating, don't you think?